Day 4 with Hafiz. So I talked about this before, that in the Sufi tradition they call God the beloved, the innermost beloved, the divine beloved with a capital B. It's the one we're really looking for in all of our love stories. Sufis know this, and they're madly in love with their beloved. Yeah, they dance for him, her, long for him, her. It's like I said, it's very personal and intimate, like you would be with a beloved. So for them, God is as personal as a lover, as a child, as a mother, as a really close friend. Like wherever there's love, there's God, right? So here's a poem that Hafiz calls the true nature of your beloved. Know the true nature of your beloved. In his loving eyes, your every thought, word, and movement is always, always beautiful. As you're closing your eyes, and opening to this mystical message from Hafiz, to see if you can receive that in the true nature of your beloved, your divine beloved, the true nature is love. And always seeing the beautiful in us. Always. And just sensing that, sensing the beauty in you, the beauty of your being, the beauty of your thoughts, feelings, sensations. And just let that beauty, the sense of the beautiful in you, that God always sees, let that take you into your silent meditation. In a sense, going into silence is going into the beautiful. Even when thoughts come and distract us, and they're sometimes not so beautiful, we're opening, we're making a space for beauty to take us. We're consenting to beauty within us, to the presence of beauty within us, to the action of beauty within us. So just allow that to happen as you go into your silent meditation. Let beauty take you. And you can pause this video now as you're going into your silence, and then turn it back on when you're ready to come out. And as you're gently coming out of your silence now and opening your eyes, let it be a soft gaze, like the internal beauty that I am, that you are, looking at the beauty without. Like there's beauty looking out of these eyes of yours, beholding the beauty that is around. always, always beautiful, even when it doesn't look at all beautiful. There's a beauty underneath, deep within, that we can always see. In ourselves and in the others that you're going to be seeing or encountering today. Discovering the true nature of your beloved. Have a beautiful day.